Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the RPC server is unavailable error on Windows. First, we will check the required Windows services. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. In the Run box, type services.msc and press Enter. The services window will open. Scroll down and look for a service called Remote Procedure Call. Double-click on it to open its properties. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Also check the service status. If it is not running, click Start. If it is already running, click Stop and then Start again. Now go back to the services list and find Remote Procedure Call Locator. Open its properties. Set the startup type to automatic and make sure the service is running. Do the same steps for DCOM Server Process Launcher. All three services must be set to automatic and running for RPC to work correctly. Next, we will check the network settings. Press the Windows key and R again. Type NCPA, CPL and click OK. This will open the Network Connections window. Find the network adapter you are using, such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Right-click on it and choose Properties. In the list, make sure Internet Protocol version 6, also called TCP/IPv6, is checked. Also make sure File and Printer Sharing for Microsoft Networks is checked. These options are required for proper network communication. After confirming this, click OK to save the changes. Finally, restart your computer. This will apply all the changes. After the restart, check if the RPC server is unavailable error is gone. In most cases, these steps fully fix the problem. Thanks for watching.